I guess so. The question is gravity flip. Like, what we have to do? If I explain you the whole question, in a box, there are some blocks. Okay, there are n columns of blocks. Okay, first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Okay, when you, right now the gravity working in that way. Okay, but when you flip the block, like you rotate the block right side, so all this this box, you rotate the box right side, so all these blocks will be shifted to what, right side, as you can see. Okay, the gravity will be changed inside, gravity will be changed for these blocks inside this box. Okay, so how will it be, so we have to find the number of column will be changed when we change the position of the block. Okay, position of the box and number changes in the blocks. Okay, we have to find changes in the blocks number in each column. Like currently there are 3 blocks in column 1, 2 blocks in column 2, 1 block in column 3, 2 blocks in column 4. Okay, but when we shift, when we rotate the box, the column will slide towards the right side. Okay, so what will be the number of blocks at column 4, column 3, column 2, column 1? We have to find that. Okay, so how we will going to do that? I have already solved this. As you can see, it's very simple, to be honest. I had just sorted it. Just sort it, you will get the answer. Like, enter the all the array value, sort from begin to end, then print out, you will get the answer, as you can see. Okay, like if I run it, like for example 4 3 2 1 2. Okay, answer is 1 2 2 3. Okay, it's a correct answer, as you can see in the example also. So yeah, it's a correct answer. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.